This video tutorial will guide users to key functionality of the data and information application available in the Flood and Drought portal. To access the data and information application, go to the Flood and Drought portal, www.flooddroughtmonitor.com. Log in using your username and password. When on the home page of the portal, click on the Data and Information application here. The Data and Information application is developed to ensure access to a basic dataset needed for planning related to water resource, drought, or flood management. This dataset is spatially distributed in near real time for over 200 transboundary basins across the world. When the Data and Information application is open, you'll be able to open the available datasets by clicking on Select under the Data tab. A new dialog box opens titled Favorite Data, allowing you to choose which data should be made available to view, download, and analyze. Note that for new users, you will be directly prompted to select datasets. To select a dataset, simply check the box. You can check multiple datasets. Once you have selected the datasets, click Update. The selected data can be viewed here. You can always unselect the dataset by going back to the Select menu and unchecking the dataset. When a dataset is selected, you can view the raster information on the map. For example, if you select rainfall trim data, you'll be able to see the amount of rainfall for a given day. You can use the time series here to view the rainfall for a different date. When a dataset is selected, you will also have a Tools menu. The Tools menu is used to view the data in other formats, for example charts and tables, and to download the information. There are different tool options depending on the selected dataset. For example, rainfall trim can be viewed as daily time series, monthly time series, as a table, and you can download the raster information for a specified period. Historical ensemble trim gives the daily time series and monthly time series, as well as the option to view the data as an envelope plot. Note that the process is always the same. When you select one of the tool options under rainfall trim, for example time series, you'll be able to select an area. The options are All Focus Area, which provides information for the entire transboundary basin, User Location, which provides information for a point which the user defines by clicking within the basin boundary. You can select several points. Sub-Area Layer, which provides information for the sub-area or sub-basin, and Point Layer, which provides information for predefined points within the basin. After selecting an area, for example All Focus Area, you will have the option to download the information by clicking on Download. This will download the comma-separated values. Or you can view the data in a chart by clicking on New Chart. When the new chart is clicked on, a chart will appear with the daily rainfall for the whole basin, dating back to when the information was available, in this case the year 2000. You can zoom into a specific part of the chart by clicking and dragging across. To return to the full view, simply double-click on the chart. When zoomed in, you can also pan across by holding Shift, clicking, and dragging across. You can also view the chart for the last 1 month, last 6 months, last 1 year, or all the information. And remember, you can always double-click on the chart to go back to the full view. This process can be repeated for all other tool options. Under the Data tab, you can also view the status of the data by clicking on Status. A dialog box will open with the information about the last time a certain dataset was added to the system. You can also download the GIS layers for specific basin, for example the basin boundary, the sub-areas, the point layers, and so forth. Under the Document tab, a user can download available reports associated with a particular focus area, for example a drought report. To close the pop-up, click on an empty space. For all data sets, if you click on the name, you will get a pop-up that provides additional information on that dataset and links for more information. Thank you for watching, and please share this tutorial.